TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome back to this Wix tutorial series. This time we're going to take a look at changing the page body design, namely adding colors, drop shadows, that sort of thing, and also changing the height of your page as well. If you don't know what the body is, it's everything between your header of your website, which is this top portion here, and the footer of your website, which is the bottom. So everything in between that. To start changing the design, all you need to do is simply select an area of your body, preferably a blank area, and you get a pop-up menu that says change page background, design, and help. If you choose the design option, you can start editing your page background. For example, you could apply one of the preset themes here. For example, green with a soft drop shadow along the bottom. This changes everything inside of your margins. However, if you wanted to, you can also customize that design. I'm going to choose a plain white to start with and hit customize design. Now I can then go through and start choosing different drop shadows. For example, I could choose this drop shadow that makes it look like the edges of the page are curling outward, and I could then increase or decrease the opacity of that. I can go to the border and add a soft border around the edge, or a nice thick border as well. Let's leave it at 1 pixel for now and leave it at a nice light grey. I could then also affect the radius of the corners, which curves the edge of my pages, which you can see a bit more strongly if I just increase the border for a moment, like so. Apart from that, you can notice that we don't really have much space to do any work inside this website at the moment. We'd like to make it a little bit longer, increase the height. That's a very simple thing to do. Just select your page background again like so, and you'll notice you have a little tab here that says adjust page height. All you have to do is click and drag this handle to increase the height of your website. Again, if you click it and drag it the other way, it will decrease the height of your website. It really is as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Wix Tutorials, everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.